In this video, we will see how to deploy a smart contract on the XRPL EVM Sidechain using Quicknode as an RPC provider. The first step is, of course, to init your smart contract project development. To do so, you can use forge-init. I already done that, and basically I have a project like that. And so this is the standard file architecture that you will have when running forge-init. The next step is to get some token on the faucet. I already have an address in the key store, so if I do basically cast wallet address account video demo, which is the name of the account I have, and that I input my password, I have this address, which is the address derived from the private key stored in the key store. Now, if we go into a web browser and go into faucet.xrplevm.org, we will be on this page. And basically we can paste our address there, click on those two buttons, follow and join, and request the XRP. This basically will request some testnet fund on the XRPL testnet, so the XRP ledger classic one, and bridge them to the EVM Sidechain. So this takes around 2 minutes. During this time, what we can do is go back into our project, nvim into it, and then just get into this from reader.toml to have this new RPC endpoints. And here we will pass XRPL EVM equal, and we need an RPC provider there, so that's where Quicknode come handy. Basically, when you log in, you will be inside this dashboard, and what you want to do is click on this new endpoint, then search for XRPL EVM, click on continue. We will be using the testnet, so let's click on testnet, continue. We don't need this API, create endpoint, and endpoint created. We will copy paste this HTTPS RPC endpoint, copy and paste it there. We can save. Now let's go back into our faucet to see if the bridge, no, the bridge is still bridging. Okay, so we have our RPC endpoint. We can have a look at our smart contracts. So this is the basic one, just a simple counter with two functions, set number and increment. We can build that using forge. So forge build. Okay, I already built it. And then we just need, okay, perfect. So we add our token. This transaction perfect. 97.3 XRPs. Let's go back into our terminal. So we have built our contract. Now the next step is to deploy it. So to do so, we will use forge create, then the name of the contract, then the RPC URL, which is not EVM that way, but EVM that way, using broadcast, which tell basically Foundry to send this to the network, and using our video demo account that just get the XRPs. So I just need to pass my password there, click on entry, and it should be done. Okay, we have our deployer, which is the address that we have in the key store, the contract address, and the transaction hash. Let's check back into the block explorer. And perfect, 2 blocks ago, we got this smart contract deployed, and that's it. Thanks.